Stars, emerging stars. For the umpires making their way out into the middle, it's also a great deal of pride to be able to stand out there in the middle when these two teams go against each other. Win it, and they want to have a bowl first. We look at India, it's littered with talent, littered with power and match winners. For Pakistan, they'll expect heroics from their opening batter, Samir Minas, a hero from teams. Pakistan, they played New Zealand and they needed to win well and win quickly to improve their net run rate, and they did that. Bowled up New Zealand for 110. Stars turn into superstars. It's where pressure will build character for these young men, and where a single over will change the mood. It's built up perfectly. It's a massive game. Everybody's tuned in, and I've been joined by Rohan Gavaskar. Good morning.
Good morning, Ed. Lots on the line if Pakistan win this by a...
And that one stays low.
A good start by...
It'll be interesting to see how the surface will play. That'll be a wide. Yeah, look at the journey for India. Straight to the fielder. And then against Zimbabwe, a really big win. That... A couple. Yes, Aaron. Yes, Aaron. Some sumptuous shot to end the over. 7 without loss. A boundary to end the first over. It was some shot that... Suryavanshi now up and running.
We were talking about this off-air, Ed. Aaron, X factor.
Top of the innings, and Mantre drops to 3. I'll just focus on Pakistan's journey as well. Nicely fielded. Excellent fielding. Edge, pace bounce over the slip cordon. Yet another boundary to end the over. 13 without loss.
That's been India's journey up until now. Unbeaten, pace. 4 for Vaibhav Suryavanshi, but moral victory for the bull.
In the air, running back. Oh, he's just got there, but not enough. Thick outside edge, but protection out in the deep at third. So a lot happening there. Shot, Suryavanshi.
Just that little bit of width.
And so England qualify, India and Pakistan, but you look at full toss, punished, 2 loose deliveries, and Suryavanshi's taken it with both. We've spoken about Aaron George and how... Oh, very good, but the fielding saves a certain boundary.
Excellent cricket all.
Oh, yes. pace and bounce. Gosh, he's bent. Wrist work. A little bit of a misfield. They'll be looking for two. And they decide against another full toss. Save your legs. Save your legs.
Yeah, that was 4 the moment it left the bat.
32 without loss. Start here for India. And it's mainly due to some loose bowling. Run rate of 8 already inside the power play. Ayush. Another excellent shot and also some excellent fielding.
I have to say that Indian batters, obviously they are so...
He has been superb throughout this World Cup. He's definitely going to be a superstar. He's hitting the deck now and he's found his radar. Catcher hits the deck a little bit hard on that occasion again, so they're not trying too much. They reverted to really... It's a much better over, just 2 off it. It's 34 without loss. Outside the line of leg stump, I think, as well, and maybe missing. Hitting the deck hard. And the other thing maybe I've just seen, Seema. I feel if you get built up for a long period of time, 4 dot balls in that over before that sink. Attempts the Yorker, and it's a good one. It's another excellent over. It's 35 without loss.
Change. The Pesh comes in place of Uddhav Mohan. Got anything loose against this pair, they will destruct you literally.
It's such a hard length. You can hear the grunt of the bowler. You can hear the... Big shot! Got adventurous with the line and length. And you cannot miss your line and length because Suryavanshi will punish you. To bowl. Goes again. Goes again. Has it gone all the way? Oh, this is some shot, Suryavanshi. Brute. Suryavanshi. So after a phase of good bowling,
they're on the attack, India, looking to confirm their...
Yeah, they'll need to win big and win quickly.
He's that guy. He will get a little bit of a bounce, but the best thing about him is the consistency.
I also did mention that... Oh, in the air. This will take some catching. Some catching. Oh, he's put him down. Is there an edge? Given. Don't worry about the double play. Don't worry about the drop catch. Don't worry about the missed run out. Edge. Was on the charge. A partnership 47 for the opening pair.
That's it! Sam! He's got the second one! They're up and running! And it's the captain!
What an over! Was there an edge? 37 for 2!
Come on, boys! Come on! Relax, Leona!
Gone! Aaron George gets a Jaffa. And Subhan strikes with his very first ball.
The